Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Made Simple, a step-by-step guide. Hey guys, if you want to know about affiliate marketing, if you want to do affiliate marketing, by the end of this video, if you watch the end of this video, you will know all about affiliate marketing and you'll know how to do it. Simple, guys. You can do this. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications after you subscribe so you're notified every time I upload a video or I go live, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Okay guys, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. First off, affiliate marketing is when an online retailer of a service or a product, something like that, is willing to pay you a commission based on a sale that they get. So what you're essentially doing is you're sending them a customer and you're getting paid on it. There's a whole lot less risk for somebody who is paying out affiliates than there is for somebody who's paying out on clicks. So if something like Google AdSense or something like that, they'll pay you based on clicks, but the problem with that is they aren't assured a sale, so they're going to pay a whole lot lower commission. On affiliate marketing, you can get 10%, 20, 30. Sometimes things like ClickBank will pay you 90 or 100%. So that's pretty cool to get a payout that big. Okay, so check it out. Here's the first step in doing this. The first step is finding a product that you want to market, and I would suggest the first thing to do is market products you already use. Now I use Kartra for all my marketing. Kartra is a fantastic piece of software. I recommend it, and guess what, down in the description you're going to find a link to Kartra. That link you can actually watch a video for free, and if you like Kartra you can sign up for $1. Now if you sign up for $1 and you decide to stay, I get a small commission for that. But here's the key, I will only talk about products that I actually use and like. I don't do affiliate marketing for anybody else. Like right now I have some lights here and cameras, some equipment, different things. In the description you will find links to all those things on Amazon. So if you click those links and go to Amazon and buy some of those products, I get a small commission, but also you are cookied. So if you go to Amazon and buy anything else, go buy all you want, because I actually get a commission on anything you buy once you use my link down there. But that's an example of me marketing something that I already use. Number two, look for products that other people are already affiliates for that you respect. So if there's somebody in your industry, maybe it's photography, maybe it's sewing, maybe it's cooking, look at what they're representing for affiliate products. Check out those products, and if you like those products, that's a great way for you to find products to sell. I've done that in the past where I've seen somebody I really respected and I saw some of the things they recommended, whether it be a software or whatever, and I would go out and try that product, and if I like that product, guess what, I'm going to be an affiliate for that product too. Now let me show you on the screen how you can find if a product's an affiliate product. Let's jump over there right now. Right here I've got WP Beginner, and as you notice there's a special hosting offer right here, and if you look below that, when you hover over it, you see down there where it says bluehost.com track, and then it's got some letters and stuff. That is their tracking ID, which tells me that is an affiliate offer right there, and that's something that I could also offer to my audience. Number three is you can join affiliate networks. I'm a member of several affiliate networks, and they're very helpful. And what an affiliate network is it's a portal. It's where a whole bunch of people who have products who are willing to pay affiliates can put their product, and a lot of people who want to be an affiliate can join it and have access to all these different products. Some examples of that are Commission Junction, ClickBank is another big one. I'm also a member of Share a Sale. I have my products there, and I'm also an affiliate for products on Share a Sale. So any of those are really good to find, because you don't have to worry about payouts or anything. You know that that affiliate network is going to be paying you and you're going to get paid on every sale, so you don't have any problems with stuff like that. But use some respected affiliate networks. I have other videos on this channel. If you just search affiliate in the search bar on my channel, you can find other videos on this too. Number four, reach out to companies of products and services that you already use. Now normally you can go to a website for a company, look down in the bottom and try to find a link that says affiliates, and that will generally tell you about their affiliate program. However, if they don't have that on their website, you can directly send them an email and say, hey, I like your products, I like your services, been using them for years, I would like to be an affiliate for your company, do you have a program like that? And they can respond and let you know what they have available. Okay, so we've gone over the basics. Let's get a little bit more in depth now. The first thing I want to talk about is picking products of high quality. Pick products of high quality. I often will get emails from people who want me to do a sponsored video or talk about their product and be an affiliate for it, and I don't know the product and I haven't used the product and I don't know anything about it. So my suggestion to you is find products that you think are super high quality. Keep in mind, if you do recommend a product or service and your audience clicks and they go to there and they buy that product and it's inferior or it's a poor product, now you are the person who recommended it. Okay, so that's going to hurt your reputation. So it's super important. Number one is to pick products of high quality. Number two, add highly useful and valuable content. So I could talk about Kartra and I could say get Kartra, it's a great software, it's down in the description below, you ought to click on it, you ought to watch the video, and you ought to buy it. But what I also do on my channel is I do a lot of videos on Kartra showing people how good it is, how well it works. If you were to search my channel right now and you type in Kartra on my videos, you're going to find a bunch of videos on Kartra, and I give you good content. I show you what it can do, I show you how it can help you, I show you how it can make you money. In doing so, people are more apt to click the link and actually go there and buy the product. Thus, as an affiliate, I'll make a little bit of money. Number three, always keep your audience in mind. Now what I mean by that is don't offer products that aren't going to bring value to your audience. My audience is learning how to start, run, and grow businesses online. So since that is their interest, I may talk to them about SEO products, I may talk to them about web hosting, I may talk to them about finances and that type of thing. But if I was running, let's say, a cooking channel, okay, I wouldn't be offering them things having to do with finance or credit cards or anything like that, because it doesn't match the niche. Make sure any affiliate offers that you are offering your audience actually match your niche and have good value to your audience and match the audience. The audience is number one. You guys are number one. Now for those of you who have a WordPress website, I want to share with you some plugins that can really help you out. Let's go over to my computer real quick and I want to show these to you. The first one is called Thirsty Affiliates. Manually adding links to your content becomes quite difficult as your site grows. Okay, it's gonna get bigger and bigger. So what you have to do is copy the URL with your affiliate ID every time you mention the product and paste it into WordPress. This is where Thirsty Affiliates can help you. It's an affiliate link management plugin that allows you to easily add affiliate links in WordPress. It also will let you change lengthy affiliate links into cloaked pretty links, which are more user-friendly. Thirsty Affiliates also has the option to automatically replace keywords with affiliate links, which can significantly help you boost your affiliate revenue. Now the next one I want to talk about is AdSanity. Let's go over and look at AdSanity real quick. Okay, AdSanity is the best, I mean really the best WordPress management plugin tool there is, and it's a must-have for every affiliate marketer's toolbox. What it's going to do is it will allow you to create banners, okay, from your WordPress website and manage them from a single dashboard. Now that's pretty cool. AdSanity also makes it easy to insert ads into your WordPress post pages, you know, sidebar widgets, any of that. You can use it to manage your third-party ads like Google AdSense and ads and banners as well. For detailed instructions, all you got to do is go to AdSanity and you can read all about it. So when I got started, I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. I had no clue, didn't know anything about it. Nowadays I look back and I say, my gosh, I wish I had started sooner. So if you're watching this video now, you need to start now, because what happens with affiliate marketing is it builds. Your audience is going to build, it's going to get bigger as long as you work. Okay, your audience is going to get bigger, and the bigger the audience is, the more they're going to be exposed to your affiliate links, which means the more things they can buy and the more money you're going to make. In addition to that, you know, I have products that I sell that I have affiliates for now, so that's worked out well for me. I've joined different affiliate networks like ShareASale and ClickBank and all those things, and when you start piling all these things on, after time they start to build up and they start to make you more and more and more money. Having affiliate links for a few products is great, but you know, by themselves they aren't going to make you much money. But imagine if you had 50 of them or 100 or 1,000 affiliate links out there, that income could generate so much money for you on a monthly basis that you wouldn't have to worry about anything else. Your actual business would just be gravy on top of your affiliate money. I see some people that make thousands and thousands of dollars a month just off affiliate links, and that's aside from their business. And the other thing this does, having these affiliate links, is it smooths out your income. You know, selling online is kind of an up and down thing. We have a survival food company, and depending on the time of year, depending on who's, you know, politically in office, depending on what world events are going on, people are concerned about survival food, and then they aren't, and then they are, and then they aren't. So that's something that can affect that business, but having the affiliate money kind of smooths out those up and downs in the survival food industry. Now I also have spread out, and I've gotten into teaching people how to make money online too, and that's added to my arsenal of things. Okay, I can market other products to my customers because I have another list for people who are looking to make money online. So don't just pigeonhole yourself into one area. Make sure there's other things out there that you can make money on, because there's always going to be affiliate links out there. You can always sell something through an affiliate network. By doing so, you're just going to have so much extra money coming in. Now I hope this has helped you out. I hope you understand some of this. If you don't, if it's a little above your head, you still have questions, put it in the comments section below. Have you done affiliate marketing before, and what was your experience? Put that also in the comments below. I love to get your questions. I love to get your comments. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments too. Is this something that's useful to you? You feel like it's going to help you out? Give me your input below. Don't forget also to subscribe. If that button down there is red, you need to click it and turn it gray, and you need to do what? Ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. That's so important, guys. That really helps the distribution of my videos. It only takes you a second. Just reach up there and click, reach and click, and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as a bonus, I have a course down here. It's a $97 course in the description. You can get it absolutely free for a limited time. All you have to do is click and learn. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.